Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Iriun Webcam with Discord. So first, open your browser and search for Iriun Webcam on Google. Then open the Iriun.com website and download the PC app. After that, open the setup file. Now click agree to accept the term. Then choose how many virtual webcams you want to install. Click next and continue with the installation. Once the installation is complete, open Iriun Webcam and click finish. So after the app opens, it will connect automatically if your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's why mine connected right away. Then if you want, you can change the webcam quality in the Iriun PC app. You can also see your mobile device name here. After that, minimize the Iriun app and open Discord. Now go to settings, then open voice and video. Then scroll down to the camera section and select Iriun webcam from the list. After that, click test video and you will see that your phone camera is now working in Discord. So that's it for this video. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials and thanks for watching.